nga. O si Daddy
Kaya kasi
naman.
tatalo siya eh.
Si Daddy.
Hindi, ikaw.
Ako sunod. Hindi naman kayo tayo, Jenga. Nag-video ka pa. Huwag mo nang galawin yung tablet, ha? Sige.
He said, they made the ultimate sacrifice. I need to make sure they're desperate and vain. I need to follow through what they wanted me to do. Complete my training and master all the other main skills from bring Dallas back to the world. Oh no.
Here's what's up.
And now it's gone.
Ay.
Sam, hanapin mo na
So
yung
after
loot.
we lost something, then we realized how much it means to us.
Look. Look.
Anything to get back.
Sino na? Si Jessie.
Ayun, puro pick ka.
Si Jessie.
Jessie pa, di ba? Hindi.
Ano nga pala, sorry, isip ko.
The one thing I do know is
Excited kasi si Daddy eh.
I'm the outcome.
Excited type bang.
Oh.
Kablong moon. Kablong moon.
Cedric, ikaw na. Uy, ba't ganyan?
You're puro si. Ay, Jessie.
Jessie. Hindi ako si Jessie yan.
Baka ni Jessie, sige, gatuin mo. Sabi na mo.
Ay, tama.
Wait lang.
Sabi na mo. Ayun na naman.
Oh,
Wala yun. Wala yun.
Bye-bye.
mamaya ulit.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye ulit.
Apa.